Hey guys, just want to do a quick update for Unity as we get closer and closer to the end of the month. There's still about a week left to qualify for their event, their first event in Colombia. So we'll cover how to do that. Some of you guys are very, very close. If you're wondering how you can do that, you have to hit the position of V2. So we'll cover that real quick. More than anything, I want to cover the passive side of this. I know a lot of you guys like to earn passive income. For whatever reason, if you're not interested in sharing this or building out a network, there is an opportunity here that you can earn passive income up to 20% per month. And there is a unique feature here where you can pull your funds out of the platform anytime you want. So we'll cover that in this quick update. Of course, I want to start off by saying that I am not a financial advisor. Never take anything I say as financial advice. If you are going to get into Unity or anything I talk about, please do your own research and due diligence and only put in you can afford to lose, guys. Risk capital only. Also follow me on Telegram. I will leave a link for that down below. If you haven't subscribed yet to this channel, go ahead and subscribe. Hit the little bell icon so you'll get notified straight away whenever I do a brand new video. So that being said, guys, Unity, this has been running now for not too long, just a couple of weeks. Really big or bigger in the Latin American market. Really in the English speaking market, it's just really starting to take off. People are just starting to learn about it. But over in the Spanish speaking market, it's really blowing up. They have a couple of WhatsApp groups that are really sizable and a lot of excitement going on over there. They did an event over in Peru, a leaders only event in Peru. And like I said, they have their first event scheduled for May, which is next month in Colombia, so Cartagena. So let's talk a little bit about that. Of course, real quick, as I mentioned before, wanted to mention the passive side of this before I go into how you can qualify or how you can get yourself to that event. But as far as the passive side goes, some of you guys have asked me, there's a couple of ways you can get involved. There's 3 trading licenses you can get involved with, plans, packages, whatever you want to call it. There's the start. This one here for as little as 20 USDT, all the way up to 299 USDT. You can get started with this particular package, right? License. And this one here, you can earn anywhere from 5 to 10% per month. The premium, this one here is from 300 USDT all the way to 999. And in this particular package, you can earn anywhere from 10 to 15% a month. And then the professional, which is 1,000 USDT and above, you'll earn anywhere from 15 to 20% per month. So up to 20% per month is what you can earn with the professional package, the professional license. Of course, with all 3 of these licenses, you can pull your capital out. Now, if you read here, it says here you can withdraw 100% of your capital after just 30 days. So in other words, if you make a deposit after 30 days, if there's a ticker in your back office, a little countdown clock. Once you make a deposit after 30 days, you can pull your capital out penalty free, right? Before 30 days, if you want to pull it out, you can do so, but you'll incur a 15% penalty. Either way, you still have the flexibility of pulling out the majority of your funds anytime you want to. So that's the real, unique feature with this platform. And again, up to 20% a month, pretty sustainable in my book. Again, it's not paying out 2% a day or 3% a day or anything crazy like that. It's not even paying out 1% a day if you factor in the weekends. It's pretty sustainable. Yeah. So yeah, if you want to get involved with this from a passive perspective, you can do that. USDT TRC 20 is what you can put in. And again, if you want to build out the network, there is a comp plan here that you can get involved with. As you can see here, there's a couple ways you can earn from the network. Let me show you here. Here's the residual unilevel bonus. There's a matching bonus that you can earn up to 5 levels. I've had a few people ask me about this. Again, you have to unlock these 5 levels. The way you unlock these 5 levels is by directly sponsoring 5 people with any Maximus license. Okay, in other words, they have to have an active deposit. So again, you have to actively sponsor 5 people. But when you do that, you'll unlock these 5 levels, and then you can earn anywhere from 20 all the way up to, 20% on your first level match, 15% match on your second level, 10% match on your third level, 5% match on your fourth level, 2.5% match on your fifth level. And then, of course, there's other rank bonuses that you can trigger as you move through the different ranks. Now, let me show you here the Columbia event here. This is the summit here, May 24th, 25th, and 26th. Now, requirement needs to be qualified as a V2. Direct volume 5,000 USDT. That's your first level, and then your group volume. That's your entire team. 50,000 USDT. Now, of course, the qualification is up till April 30th, so there's about a week left, and they're only taking 200 people that are qualified at the V2 level. Of course, everything is paid for, yacht party, all of that. And then you'll have, all the different rollouts, all the different announcements. And then you can, rub elbows with, the owners of the platform, that sort of thing. So again, aside from qualifying from the trip, of course, there's, other benefits, right? You'll qualify for a 2% global profit. Because again, this is their ranking system that they have. All of this, of course, you can check out right in the PDF, right? So they do have a ranking system here: V1, V2, V3, V4. And the higher you rank up, the more of the global profit you can get as a bonus. And then here, as I mentioned in the past, here are the different terms and conditions. I think I mentioned a lot of this already. Capital, you can withdraw your capital. Again, there's a 15% penalty if you do it before the 30-day period. After 30 days, there's no 15% penalty, of course. Withdrawal processing time is between 2 hours and a maximum of 24 hours. And in order to get a referral link, so this is another question some of you guys have asked me, hey, how do I get my referral link? I can't find it. In order for you to get a referral link, you do need to have a active deposit. Okay, so a minimum deposit will, that'll generate a referral link, and then you can start building your team. Okay. So yeah, this thing has been working smooth. No issues whatsoever. Withdrawals have been great. We've had no issues whatsoever. And by the way, they do have plans already for their next. This is kind of like a much bigger event. This is their November 2024 leadership retreat in the Maldives. This one here, obviously, you need to be a V5. I don't even think there's any V5s in the platform just yet. Maybe there is. I'm not exactly sure, because in the Spanish market, there are big, some pretty big builders that are building this. But again, still very, very new platform. So, not a whole lot of people at the very high levels. So again, by the time this rolls out, pretty sure there'll be many more V5s at that point. So they're already forward thinking and, planning that out. If you want to check this out, I will leave a link down below. As far as an overall update, platform is working, it's still very new. And again, it's doing its thing. The controls are smooth. If you want to check it out, I will leave a link down below. And just wanted to give you a quick update, let you know that this thing is cranking. All right, guys, that's pretty much it for this quick update. Follow me on Telegram, subscribe to the channel, all that good stuff. And I will catch you on the next one. Peace.